guys, how's it going? Sorry I haven't talked to you in a little while. Life's been a bit crazy, so that's why I'm making this video. I wanted to update you on all of the happenings, and the biggest thing, the really only thing, is that I moved to New York City. And this behind me is New York City, and this below me is the building I'm living in. I have a rooftop. It's really cool. This is actually the first time I've ever been on the rooftop, and I'm really excited about it. To be really honest, guys, like, I love making YouTube videos, and I want to keep making YouTube videos, but I've been dedicating the last year to making YouTube videos, and I cannot survive off my YouTube channel, which, you know, that's just part of the deal. Not everyone gets to explode right away, and that's cool. So, that being said, I am job hunting. You know, I make videos, cinematographer, so if you know of anyone that's hiring, hit me up. It's been pretty tough. It's not an easy thing to move to the other side of the country. I've never done it before. I do know a few people. I'm super blessed. I wouldn't have been able to do this if I haven't been able to live with my aunt and uncle, who, this is my aunt and uncle's place. They're letting me stay for free. So that's really huge because rent here is very expensive. And like I said, don't have a job yet. But that's a really big reason why I haven't been like making a ton of new videos recently. But last week, if you haven't seen it yet, I finally posted a documentary that I shot all the way back last year when I was in Paris. It's really cool. I'm really excited about it, and I want everyone to see it, and I want you guys to share it. So if you haven't seen that yet, go and check it out. I'll link to it. But yeah, go watch that documentary about Louis, the refugee, living in Paris. It's awesome. Okay, it's totally sidetracked. The other thing about moving to a new city that's exciting but also intimidating is that it's just really hard to meet people, and I have to meet everybody. Like, I don't know that many people here. So you guys can help me, just like you helped me while I was traveling around the world. If you live in New York City or know anyone who lives here, hit me up. I genuinely want to hang out with you. I want new friends. As far as the channel goes, I'm gonna keep making videos, but it's gonna be a little different. Probably less vlogs, to be honest. You know, I'm really not, I'm not ready to announce what kind of videos they're gonna be, but the channel's still happening, I promise. It's just gonna look a little different. More to come on that. Finally, it is very cold, and I'm getting used to it. So, guys, thank you so much for all of your support and commenting and just meeting up with me, hanging out with me when we get to meet in real life. It's really, really cool. I love YouTube and getting to do this stuff, and I want to do it more. If for some reason you have no idea who I am and you've watched this far in the video and you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. My name is Willis. Good to meet you. Let's hang out more. For everyone else who's already subscribed, I love you guys. More videos to come. Stay tuned.